Magandang hapon, Pilipinas. Ako po si Dwayne Woolley. Mabuhay po kayo dito sa bahay namin ni Shanta. Nag-iisa lang ako dito ngayon dahil wala pa si Shanta, nasa trabaho pa siya. So what I'm gonna do is when she gets home, I'm going to edit her into this chair in 3, 2, 1. Ayan! Nandito na siya. So, Shanta, anong gagawin mo ngayon sa video na to? Kwento mo na.
Kakain ako!
Anong kakainin mo?
I'm going to eat food from Australia.
Australia! Australia, you pronounce it like Australia.
I'm going to eat food from Australia.
Australia.
Yeah, from Australia. Australia. What?
Australia.
Australia. I look ugly.
Okay, so I'm gonna go get the food that you're gonna eat, yeah?
Okay.
So when I went to Australia recently, I brought home all this junk food for Shanta. She's gonna eat it all now and she's gonna tell us Aussies what she thinks about our chaka. Here it is! All this food Shanta's gonna eat, we don't have it here in the Philippines. First up, Caramelo Koala. It's all yours. This is one of my childhood favorites. Caramelo Koala.
Yes, I love this vlog so much. There's something inside.
What do you mean there's something inside?
There's caramel inside. I'm gonna squeeze it out.
What do you think, Shanta?
Tastes so good.
Shanta's rating out of 10 is...
10.
Wow. Next up, cherry ripe. Cherry ripe. Who doesn't like cherry ripes? Does any? I don't know anyone that doesn't like cherry ripes.
Let's open this like this. Okay.
But what?
It's the coconut.
What do you mean?
I'm used to eating coconut, so it's not new to me.
It tastes more like cherry than coconut.
No, it tastes like
Let me have a
coconut.
bite. How do you not like that?
I like it, but not as much as I like the, what's that, caramello something.
Oh really? What would you rate it out of 10?
5.
5. Oh, what? What planet are you from?
No,
the planet of Leyte.
No, I like coconut, but I like coconut alone.
Salt and vinegar chips. They do not have Smith's salt and vinegar chips here in the Philippines.
We have salt and vinegar in the Philippines, but not this. But we have salt and vinegar.
Salt and vinegar chips? I've never seen salt and vinegar chips in the Philippines.
Yes, we have.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Go, you taste it and you tell me if you've ever had that before.
Wedges.
Go on. What? I can't tell whether you like it or you hate it.
I
What?
like it so much.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
panalo!
think this is my favorite. No, what's good about this is when you open it, the smell doesn't go through the room.
What?
Kasi yung salt and vinegar dito sa Pilipinas, pag nag-open ka, maamoy mo siya.
Just like bulat, when you
Yes,
cook it,
bulat.
the smell goes through all the room.
But
And
bulat tastes so good.
all the
Nick.
Philippines, and everyone can smell it.
But it's good. I like bulat. Look, this one, it's super tasty. It's very tasty.
What would you rate it out of 10?
10!
Onnit's Monte Carlo. This is the
Maybe
best biscuit ever invented.
Looks like this.
Yes, promise, this biscuit is just lasang langit. What do you reckon? Is that good?
It tastes normal.
What?
It tastes like, it's sweet, but it smells like shampoo.
Shampoo?
Yes, it does.
Uncle Ba, what kind of shampoo are you using? Shanta's rating out of 10. What is it? What's your rating out of 10, Shanta?
8.
Ah, okay, so it's better than cherry ripe. Wow, okay. Okay, 8, I can live with that. If you didn't give it a 10, I'll have the rest of it.
Hey, I wanna eat it.
The chomp! Chomp time. What do you reckon? What does it taste like? Does it taste good?
Yes, it tastes good. It's sweet.
Sweet. So what's your rating out of 10?
It's chocolate. Come on, it's 10.
Wow, really? You said you didn't like the cherry ripe. I can have the cherry ripe, yeah?
Oh yeah.
You gave it a 5. Come on, I gave this a 10. This is mine.
Hey, that's mine. Hey, that's.
Next up, Cadbury's Picnic. Alright, go.
It is picnic. Da-da-da-dun. It kind of tastes like Snickers,
Snickers?
but its texture. But the texture is like chocomucho.
Choco mucho.
It looks like chocomucho.
Para siyang tae, no?
Hindi.
Mukha siyang tae, no?
Hindi, ano ba?
Taeng masarap.
Hey, ew.
What would you rate it out of 10, huh?
9.
9? 9, yeah. Picnic is good, even though it looks like tae. The second last thing Shanta's gonna eat, Frodo Frog.
Oh, look. Looks
It's a
like a
frog.
frog.
Smash it. What do you reckon? What do you reckon? Good?
Yes, it's a 10.
Wow, it's a 10. Oh yeah, Frodo Frog. Banalo. And last but definitely not least, Shanta's gonna eat the twirl. It's like flake dipped in milk chocolate. It's just perfect. Malinam sobra. What do you reckon?
This is my favorite.
Wow. So Shanta's rating out of 10, 1 to 10 is
11.
11.
Oh my gosh. So sweet.
Chocolate overload, Shanta. Shanta is having a chocolate overload.
I like chocolate. Like, I love chocolate, but this is too much. It's too sweet.
Thanks for watching, guys. That is it for today. Shanta's gonna finish up all this crap, and then she's going to be tambok na kaayo, eh? So, ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned. Upcoming is our collaboration with Ahigsi the Islander. He's coming from Bohol to Manila. We're gonna hang out for a bit, do some videos together. Probably gonna teach him some Bisaya para dili siya malibak sa iyang asawa ba. Stay tuned, guys. Salamat sa lahat ng suporta niyo sa amin na Twanta. Bye for now, guys. Shanta, say bye.